Welcome to Million Dollar Mansions, where we take you inside the world's most exclusive, most expensive, and most breathtaking luxury homes. Today's feature is a spectacular luxury mansion located in the United States, owned by a globally celebrated Bollywood superstar. This residence is a flawless blend of modern American luxury and timeless royal elegance, designed to reflect power, privacy, and pure sophistication. From the very first glance, this mansion commands attention. Every architectural detail follows a consistent cream, vanilla white, and gold color palette, creating a sense of harmony and elite refinement throughout the entire estate. As the property comes into view, the grand luxury entrance door instantly sets the tone. Crafted with premium materials, finished in soft cream tones, and detailed with intricate gold carvings, this door represents authority and class. Golden handles, royal framing, and subtle warm lighting transform the entrance into a true statement of prestige. Stepping inside, the mansion opens into an expansive central hall. The floor is finished with polished cream marble, highlighted by elegant golden inlays that shimmer under ambient lighting. Tall walls feature textured finishes, large gold-framed mirrors, and curated artwork that enhances the feeling of space and grandeur. The hall is designed to impress while maintaining a calm and luxurious atmosphere. Moving deeper into the home, the flow leads seamlessly toward the luxury kitchen, a perfect balance of beauty and functionality. Cream marble countertops with natural gold veining stretch across the space, paired with custom cream cabinetry accented by sleek golden handles. At the center stands a massive kitchen island, topped with marble and illuminated by a statement golden chandelier above. Built-in high-end appliances blend seamlessly into the design, while warm under-cabinet lighting adds depth and elegance. This kitchen is not just a cooking space, it is a showpiece of refined living. Adjacent to the main living areas, the mansion features wide corridors and open spaces that maintain visual continuity throughout the home. Every corner reflects attention to detail, from lighting placement to texture selection, ensuring the design language remains consistent and luxurious. One of the most striking features of this residence is the grand staircase. Wide cream marble steps ascend gracefully, bordered by ornate golden railings with intricate craftsmanship. A plush golden runner flows down the center, while soft recessed lighting beneath each step creates a dramatic yet elegant glow. Above, a crystal chandelier cascades light through the space, turning the staircase into a centerpiece of architectural beauty. The main hall area connects multiple zones of the mansion while maintaining openness and balance. Decorative golden pedestals, white floral arrangements, and symmetrical design elements enhance the visual rhythm of the space. Natural light enters through large windows, complementing the warm interior lighting and giving the mansion a serene daytime presence. As the tour continues, the mansion reveals its carefully planned spatial experience. Every room flows naturally into the next, guided by consistent materials, matching colors, and unified luxury detailing. Cream walls, gold accents, and marble surfaces dominate the interior, creating an environment that feels both powerful and peaceful. This residence is designed for privacy, comfort, and elite lifestyle living. From formal gatherings to quiet moments of relaxation, the mansion adapts effortlessly while maintaining its high-end identity. The architectural scale, premium finishes, and refined layout reflect the lifestyle of a global superstar who values elegance and exclusivity. Beyond aesthetics, the mansion embodies status. Every design decision reinforces luxury, from the grand entrance to the central hall, from the kitchen to the staircase. This home is not built to follow trends, it is built to define them. This extraordinary American luxury mansion stands as a true symbol of success, class, and timeless design. A perfect harmony of modern luxury and royal inspiration, crafted for one of Bollywood's most iconic stars. Thank you for watching Million Dollar Mansions. Stay connected for more exclusive tours of the world's most powerful homes, elite estates, and ultra-luxury lifestyles. Until next time, welcome to a world where luxury has no limits.